Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to change your name on Gcash. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to change your name on Gcash, all you gotta do is first of all tap open your Gcash app. So once you have opened your Gcash app, you need to now go to the profile and simply tap on your name. After you have done this, you need to tap on account information. Once this is done as well, you need to now simply update your profile by entering the 6-digit authentication code sent to your Gcash registered number, and then you need to hit on the next option. Once this is done, simply complete the verification process and fill out all the necessary fields, which will allow you to change your name on Gcash. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned.